Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am reviewing Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation. The MRP of this product is 140 rupees for 27 ml. Let's see what it claims. Perfecting Liquid Foundation blends easily into your skin to create soft, glowing, feather-light finish. It is oil-free with vitamin E and also water-resistant. The shelf life is 30 months. Coming to the packaging, it comes in a transparent glass bottle with brown color cap. This foundation is available in 4 shades. Shell, marble, coral and pearl. I have bought natural marble shade. It suits for fair to whitish skin tone. It is blending easily. It lightens the skin and gives very natural look. It smoothens and evens out the skin. It smells really so nice. Talking about the coverage, it gives light to medium coverage. It stays for 4 to 5 hours. It is good for daily use and also pocket friendly. Overall, this product is good for this price. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my video. Please do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.